the Rutherford atomic model. Okay, Rutherford. What is the meaning of atom? As I told you, atoms are the very smallest particle which can be seen with our which can or which cannot. Which cannot be seen. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. And what are the molecules?
Little bigger.
Which are little bit bigger than the atoms. They are called as an molecules. Okay. Now here the Rutherford atomic model, he has done the experiment which is related with the scattering of light. Okay. He has done the experiment which is related with the scattering of light. And what is the meaning of scattering? Scattering is the meaning of emission. Okay, that is the emission of light, how the light is emitted, how the light is emitted, how the direction of the light is coming through what essence, through what purpose, and because of this he has created one model. That model we are calling it as an atomic model. Rutherford was the scientist. Emitted is another word and spread is the another word. When the light is emitted, it gets spread easily. Now here what he has done, he has arranged a very thin gold foil. Okay, he has arranged a very thin gold foil. Now you know the meaning of gold foil, that is a golden paper. He has arranged a very thin gold foil which is having the measurement near about 10 raised to minus 4 micrometer. 10 raised to minus 4 micrometer, and it was bombarded. It was completely fluctuated or bombarded with a negatively or positively charged, which was having the positively charged alpha particle.